The 4CX Backhoe Loader is the flagship model of the new generation CX series, fully developed by YA, powered by a 4,108 large-bore turbocharged engine. It delivers strong power output. It features a one-piece, articulated free compact frame that is extremely robust and durable, with post-welding machining processes applied to the entire structure. The pin shafts achieve extremely high dimensional precision. The deluxe cab is equipped with 3 openable glass windows for improved ventilation, the electro-proportional control system, and extra-large LCD dashboard accurately monitors real-time machines and operating conditions, adopting AJCB-style excavator boom. It smoothly performs 4-link compound movements, significantly reducing digging cycle time and greatly improving work efficiency.